This is SK Farms 2019 corn harvest. It is August the 8th, 2019, and they started harvesting yesterday. I tried to film them yesterday afternoon, but they broke down. And got it fixed late. They've been harvesting pretty much all day today. This is their 9650 STS with the John Deere 606 corn head. This is a 36-inch row width corn. A lot of people ask why come they don't switch to 30. Well, they don't grow anything else on 30-inch rows, and they don't want to have tractors set up for 30-inch rows. Can't be used for anything but one crop. So it's just as easy to grow it on 38, and they get damn good yields out of these 36-inch row corn. I think last year, not on this field, but on the other field, I filmed most of it in last year. But they were averaging 220 something bushels to the acre, and in some spots, I think I was told it was up to 250. This is something you won't see a whole lot even down here in southwest Georgia, but if you look out at the end of these rows, you'll see more field corn. This corn was planted a little over a week ago. As I rotate around, you'll be able to see the rows of corn. It's about 6 inches long, 6 inches tall, something like that. But they're going to try growing a fall crop of corn behind the spring crop tomatoes. They were going to have to plant a cover crop on it anyway, so they decided to see what it would yield and if it's worth the while to even do it. And this is their 8285R with a Easy Trail Model 510 grain cart. And yes, it is a small cart, but when you're only growing 500 acres or so of corn, it works out fine for them. They don't need anything bigger. Yeah, I seem to be the jinx for them this year. Every time I show up in the field to watch them harvest corn, they seem to break. I was talking to one of the owners, well, not owners, but well, I guess it is one of the owner's sons, or grandsons, I'm not 100% sure. But he was telling me that, if he's not mistaken, that combine's got 6,000 separator hours on it. That's probably engine hours, but even then, it's probably got 4,500 to 5,000 hours of actual separator hours on it. But it's been a good combine for them. I mean, they've run a lot of acres through it. I'm not sure if there's the same variety they planted in 2018 or not, but it's some pretty good looking corn. It's averaging, from what I've counted, 18 to 20 rows, and averaging close to 35 long. There were some up to 45 kernels long. So it's pretty decent corn. But very girthy ears. They're very big around.